If you have a creative agency or if you are an industry expert in the creative industry, then this kind of website is going to make sense for you. Ladies and gentlemen, in this video, I'm going to show you what is the capability of AI Studio. Now, in this video, as you will be able to see that AI Studio can bring up these kind of websites in the high-level platform. I'm going to quickly show it to you. This is completely built in the AI one, right? So this is created. We have used references of other sites. So we have made sure that this looks nice on the different kind of versions inside AI Studio. We have made sure that the graphics are same. We have made sure that we have some kind of animation effect, stuff like that. I mean, things that you will normally not get inside a high level website or landing page, or the limitations which you had previously is now absolutely eliminated. Now, all you need is an AI studio expert to be in your team in order to create these kind of stunning, world class, high level websites for your own customers. Think about this. Something like this could literally cost four, five, $10,000. Who knows? But you could provide it to your own businesses, to your own subscribers for as less as $1,000, $2,000, and get it built over half the cost. Profit margin increases for you as an agency. It also helps me as an expert to build this for you, and then your clients are also happy to get a world class website, which is absolutely true. Just look at how exactly this looks. This is the preview URL, and as you will see that this is an amazing graphic. It has home, it has about me, it has work, it has contact. Just look at these kinds of animation that we are able to achieve just with this in high level, right? And we will go to the home page here, and as you can see, this looks pretty stunning. It has beautiful animation effects, beautiful texts, and as well as I mean, this is absolutely nice. So if you literally just scroll down, you will be able to see that it has multiple of these kind of text, pure, neat, clean graphics, fancy graphics, in fact, and then this kind of effects when we have these kind of hover effects on these project sites. Just look at them. They look absolutely amazing. When you click on them, it takes you to work. Again, all of these are interconnected. You can literally make as many modifications as you want and customize it to be truly yours, right? But the template can be built inside the high level platform. Just look at these kind of over animations that I'm able to achieve, just including the high level AI studio. This is an absolute game changer. These kind of effects were not imaginable earlier and used to take a lot of HTML, CSS, code being not working out, and stuff like that, which was a hassle. And that's the reason why I always used to teach people not to use too much of custom code. But now, since AI does this, AI is doing it pretty well. Just look at these kind of beautiful effects that people are able to see. Let me quickly do a quick refresh there. Beautiful one, right? Monthly, yearly, you have payment plan, you click on them and they change. Again, this is again not production ready, but this is what I am getting after just a few days of customization, right? This is normally probably take a few weeks to build, but on high level AI Studio platform, it hardly takes a few hours or a few days. That's it. This entire thing is built on the AI Studio. If I click on About Me section, it will take you to the About section. And just look at how this is built. This is the classic work that you can show to your own customers or to yourself and think about, okay, wow, this is what I'm getting when I'm using the AI Studio. The world has truly changed. If you are an agency owner, you should just look at this hover effect. I mean, I love this. Right? The client and the words remain the same, but then everything else just scrolls up. Really, really liking it a lot, right? So let's just go to the other pages. I'm going to quickly show it to you as to how those look. So if you go to work, you can literally showcase all of these work, and now they can be also added to individual pages. I've not created them for you, but guess what? If you want, they can be created. So these kinds of project works, project showcases, FAQ sections, all of that can be built inside these kind of platforms in high level. You also have the contact form. Again, this contact form is fully built inside the AI Studio. This is not a form from the high level sites form section, but guess what? This can be integrated with the high level CRM solution by having custom values. Just ask the AI to add custom values and make sure it integrates with the high level CRM, and it's going to get the job done. Again, this is not just in the website mode, this is also a very, very compatible website. I'm quickly going to show it to you as to how this particular thing looks. So if you see this, this is again on the desktop mode. But if I quickly switch to a tablet mode, this is exactly how it's going to look like when you're using a tablet. Now, this is again very, very responsive, very neat, very clean, and very enterprise level. Something that you will be willing to pay thousands of dollars for if you have the budget to do so. Now, this is what we get when we experiment and push the boundaries of AI inside high level. Let's look at these beautiful kind of effects you see. Again, this is on the tablet mode. Click on work. Beautifully arranged. Earlier, it used to take a lot of time, a lot of effort, but now what it takes a few time as well. I mean, I won't say it happens within minutes, it takes me a few days, but then the creative direction is probably the most important thing through which I probably increased my efficiency and my output by 10x. I'm not even joking, right? So this is what you get, and I think this is absolutely wonders as to what you can get. I have created a similar portfolio for myself and I'm just working on it, but I would love to give you an example on this. So currently, as you know, that I run a GoHighLevel funnel website is an agency. We build marketing funnels and website for our clients. And this has been our pages for years. And we have process hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of transaction appointments through this particular page. But I'll just show it to you as to what my current scenario looks like. Just look at this particular kind of transitions and pages that I'm currently working on. Again, this is not complete, so please don't look at it from the end point of view, but this is exactly what you're going to get. Just look at this effect, this colors, just look at, I mean, this looks premium. Of course, I've used Gemini, I'm using AI tools, and I'm trying to explore as to what kind of tools and AI tools I need to have. These tools are pretty expensive because the more you use them, the more credits go, and then you have to pay a huge amount of money the moment you build a project. But it's significantly less compared to, hiring 10 team members, and I could do this with probably four or five, right? So as you can see, this looks absolutely stunning, and this is probably what I'm going to be focused on when I'm creating my own my own original website onto the high level platform. Now, this is probably what you're seeing. So, just in case you are an agency owner and you want to maximize this particular AI tool, just make sure that you have an AI studio website and funnel expert, just like me, in your team, so that you can deliver these kind of amazing projects at a much lesser rate to your audience and make a huge profit and instantly be known in your industry. Ladies and gentlemen, that's what we have been doing with 100 plus of our clients across 12 plus countries. So make sure that in case you have any kind of queries, go to preethamhada.com. The link will be in the description box. Schedule a free appointment, and then I'll be happy to see if that's something I can help you out on. Thank you so much for watching the video, and make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Let me know if you have any kind of requirements, any kind of questions, and any kind of other related websites you want on AI Studio. I'll be happy to create them. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you on the next one.